Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the source. Verify the file type and sample rate so automated tools perform well. Once done, trim long silences and cut out irrelevant sections to reduce errors and cost. Make sure to pick a transcription approach, automated for speed, manual for accuracy, and upload the cleaned file to the chosen platform. This first action saves time later and improves word-level accuracy, so don't skip audio cleanup before transcription begins. You now execute the core process. Set language and any accent or speaker options so the engine parses speech properly, then run the automated pass. After the run, export a version with timestamps and confidence scores to spot weak areas quickly. Next, review low confidence segments and re-listen while editing, correct misheard words and assign speaker labels. Because automated tools miss homophones and names, your hands-on pass raises accuracy from approximate to reliable. You finish by cleaning the transcript. Add punctuation, paragraph breaks, and consistent timestamps so it's readable and usable in editors or captions. Once formatted, export to the format your workflow requires: SRT for captions, DocX for editing, or TXT for simple text. If you encounter persistent errors or low confidence under about 70%, reprocess the noisy segments with different settings or switch to manual transcription for those parts. That targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.